Hi guys! Today we compare Oppo Reno16 Pro China versus Oppo Find X9s. Camera. The Oppo Find X9s come with triple camera setup. First, 50 megapixel wide. Second, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 4K 120 FPS video recording. Oppo Reno16 Pro China come with triple camera setup. First, 200 megapixel wide. Second, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto and 4K 60 FPS video recording. Oppo Find X9s come with 32 megapixel selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS video recording. Oppo Reno16 Pro China come with 50 megapixel selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS video recording.
No mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain.
Platform.
See the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause.
Both phones come with octa-core CPU, 3.73 GHz Cortex X925, MediaTek Dimensity 9500S 3nm chipset, and Immortalis G925 GPU. Oppo Reno16 Pro China come with 12 and 16 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB storage, not support SD card. Oppo Find X9s come with 12 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB storage, not support SD card. Oppo Reno16 Pro China come with 7,000 mAh battery, 80-watt wire, and 50-watt wireless charging support. Oppo Find X9s come with 7,025 mAh battery, an 80-watt wire, and 50-watt wireless charging support. Both mobile come with AMOLED display and 6.59 and 6.78 screen. Both mobile come with 1.5K screen resolution and 450 and 460 ppi density. Both phones come with 120 Hz refresh rate and 91.0% screen-to-body ratio and Gorilla Glass 7i screen protection. Feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me Oppo Reno16 Pro China and Oppo Find X9s come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1, IP68/IP69 dust tight and water resistant. No mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the Oppo Find X9s got 20 points and Oppo Reno16 Pro China 22 points.